Hi guys, welcome back to our Alpha Vapor YouTube channel. It's good to see you all again. Obviously we've been pretty busy with the pandemic and whatnot, so it's good to be back. I'm going to basically be creating a lot of instruction guides, obviously various kits and mods, as well as CBD and bongs and so on, because obviously a lot of our customers obviously need, guide instructions on how to use these. Today this is the Dazzleaf Pro. It's a herbal vaporizer designed and manufactured in the USA. It's a budget range compared to obviously to the packs version, which range between £200 to £300, depending obviously where you're buying it and what model. But it's a lot better than the Snoop Dogg version. It obviously comes with its own instruction sheet. It's got a capacity of 1.6 ml, a range between 60 to 265 degrees. Obviously it weighs as much as your mobile phone, so it's quite lightweight. It's easier if you want to travel with it and whatnot. It also comes with different aspects within the kit, which obviously I can show you. It comes also in 3 different colours. You've got your Rasta here, indigo blue and black. Different airflows and that on it, so obviously it ventilates quite well so it does not overheat. Kind of like your mobile phone, so to speak. Okay. To basically use it, you pull the magnet off as such. Obviously it's quite easy for you to load, unload, clean and so on and so forth. You don't obviously spend a lot of time doing that. Inside obviously is your gauze. Obviously that's the wee bit you'll change every so often. You have to buy those separately unfortunately, but they're not too difficult to get hold of. You grind your herbal substance down, put it in there, but obviously don't pack it, and then push this back into place as such. Now obviously your settings and that, your touch screen and that's on the side there, and obviously your screen's at the front, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turns it on. That's obviously starting to heat up now. You can use the dial at the side to turn it up to obviously what temperature settings and that you want. Okay, when you obviously got it to the temperature setting that you want, hold down that button till it activates. Now that's going to heat up to that temperature there. When you want to deactivate it, aka you finish using it, hold that down again, and that deactivates it. That starts to cool down. Obviously when you're not using it, turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turns it off. It's a built-in battery, a micro USB, obviously that comes within the kit. Obviously you charge it up obviously when it gets down to about 10% or preferably more. Easy to clean as well. As I said, it's magnetic, so it's easy for you to tip everything out and so on and so forth. That's your kit there. Now in the actual kit, that's obviously got some bits and pieces you need, tools and so on. So obviously you've got your charger cable, your cotton swabs, titanium spoon, and that's it. Oh yeah, there's a pipe cleaner in here but it's stuck. There you go. There you go. So hopefully that helps on obviously how to use the kit. Obviously you can take it out and about with you and whatnot as well if you wanted to. Okay, I'll be back soon with another how to use video and hope you're all well. Bye!